daily life action verbs with sentences. I eat rice and vegetables. She drinks a glass of milk. We sleep at night. He wakes up early in the morning. I bathe every day. She dresses herself for school. They clean the room together. My mom cooks delicious food. We shop for groceries on Friday. Dad can repair the broken fan. I brush my teeth in the morning. He washes his hands before eating. We read books every evening. She writes a letter to her friend. They play football in the field. The baby cries when she is hungry. I listen to music on my phone. He runs fast in the park. We talk to our teacher politely. She sings a beautiful song.
I draw pictures with color pencils. They watch TV after dinner. He feeds the chickens in the yard. I water the plants every morning. We ride bicycles to school. She opens the window to get fresh air. I close the door quietly. They carry their school bags. We study for our exams. He helps his father in the garden. I open my book and start reading. She writes notes in her notebook. We clap our hands in joy. He kicks the football strongly. They jump over the rope. I stand in the line. She sits on the chair. We walk to the playground. He runs to catch the bus. I wash the clothes on Sunday. She irons her dress. They call their friends on the phone. We laugh at funny jokes. He cries when he gets hurt. I watch the sunrise in the morning. She listens to the teacher carefully. They open their lunchboxes. We eat fruits every day. He draws a picture of a house. I sweep the floor with a broom. She washes the dishes. They play with their toys. We sing together in class. He writes his homework. I jump into the swimming pool.